Okay. Oh man, nigga, sharp pro. Oh man, nigga, sharp pra. Music no need permission to scatter your spirit. So there is another light setup that could work. Okay, let's do a dramatic lighting. Let's do. So you stay here. No, we don't want the background to show, so move it like this. Music no need permission to enter your spirit. Music no need permission to enter your spirit. How do you feel? No, I'll cut all this part. Come on. So turn off these lights and sit. Aizenze. No, you face this side because we want to give a one light, very subtle look. So, welcome to the next episode of this class. I am trying as much as possible to make it as fast as I can. Here we have one light. Here we have a light, just one light facing her. That's because we wanted to create a dramatic picture. We still have a white background, but when we take the picture, you ask yourself if we still have a white background there or not. But for now, permit me to set my camera the way I want it to be. So first of all, this light will come in. Light will come in this way. I still want to shift the light out. Still want to keep it around here. Let me shift out my laptop desk. Like she's not seeing the big one. Nah, you don't understand. Okay, so I'm trying as much as possible not to get the light to touch the background, but the light will be hitting her. I don't have that light. This particular one is not on for now, but this one is on. The hair light is on. Let me keep my light like this. So I'm still not using the bounce card. That's why it's far away. So let me see. Music no need permission to enter your spirit. Okay. Welcome, guys. Welcome to the next episode of our class. We are doing another light setup, which is a dramatic way of lighting our subjects. And we have our subject here, a beautiful model that we used for the previous class, and we are still using her for this class. We are going to be using her. Maybe that can use it. You can use another thing. We are going to be using her through the period of this class. So stay with us as we give you what you have been asking for. You understand? Give me the battery. Oga. Okay, so we have a good amount of battery that will be enough for the class. Normally I have to do a test because capture one has this error that it will always give you. So let's check folder option and make this our default folder. As we take a picture, it's going to be showing my leg. Blood of Jesus. Blood of Jesus. Okay, so my light is just a little bit away from our subject, and the edge of the light is directly in front of our face. The edge here is directly in front of our face. So let's see if our white will still be white in this particular picture. Let's see. Let's see. Our white is still whiting, but not the way it was before. Now you be neck of the world. Neck of the. So I've added, if you're following the class, I added that backlight, but sorry. I added that backlight. So I've added the side light from the back. So I'm using this bounce card to fill up the edge of the hair. So let's take it again. So when we do that, we get a brighter image compared to this one. If you look at the light is balanced. Our pose is terrible, but the light is more subtle. So do that hand stuff again. No. Like shift your body forward a little. Look forward. Turn your body a little this way. Then do that same pose again. Yes. So we have this. Our white is no longer looking white. Our white is now gray, just because we shifted our light away from the background. Then our neck around here, we can do a little bit of fill up so we'll get that place right. Although it's not too bad. Give me a reflector. So hold the reflector like, no, not you. Hold the reflector like this. Don't take it up too much. Keep it like this. So keep our reflector like this and we'll take another picture. Take another picture. I'll take another picture. This is what you get. Now let's check our neck. This is the before. This is the after. Even the skin is glowing more better than it was. So the more you add these reflectors to the areas that are dark, the more you get better looks from those areas. So let's take a few more. Thank you. Thank you for not pouting. Yeah. So we're just going to be taking the pictures like that. Yeah. Try as much as possible to work with models that will not stress you. I take back to God you. Yeah. It's good when she's happy. I'll try as much as possible to retouch these pictures in a way where I will not be doing much retouching. So it will be looking all natural. I want to see how people react to when the pictures are all natural. So you understand. So just do a freestyle of your own pose, but we are taking from here up.
Should I face you?
Yes, you can face me. So now she wants to give us our own pose. Put the reflector on that. Just hold on like this. Keep on like that. Yeah. Let's see. Thank you. Yes, you can use that. Yes. This is beautiful. Thank you. I think our model has done the most. A big thank you to our model, a very busy Dainegwa girl.
Every day, so that I'll do very well because right now I'm even stressed.
No, I really wanted this first one to be without makeup.
No, I said that like my day was very stressed out.
So, a big thank you to our mother. I'll buy her cook. That she and she, you understand? She did well. So more of these pictures will be posted on Instagram. So if you like the pictures, do well to check out the Instagram page, and I'll make sure I tag her. I normally don't tag models on my post, you remember, but I'll tag her. You understand? So that you get to follow her. Need to go enter person DM. You get the shout for people, Papa. You get why. See you in the next episode of this class.
You don't so close the channel and DM. You guys shout for people, Papa.